Chiefs got me a house there. They've got properties there in the south.
Mm.
And Chiefs got me a house there in Winchester.
Mm.
Yes. So you can imagine there. Now from staying from that 1 bedroom, 2 room there.
Yeah.
So you Winchester there.
Yeah.
And to what I came there.
Mm.
Yeah, 3-bedroom house in all.
And was only Ntwana. Yeah. Now we want football is changing your life.
Yes. Now I can see him now. Football is a life changer.
Yeah.
At my age, staying there, and then Mr. Bob, because I had a polo. After the Telkom.
No, not a polo from
my mom.
Oh,
no, after Silver Stars. So
yeah.
Bansa Mais.
Yeah.
Yeah, polo.
Mm.
Polo nyana, grinding nyana. So, go training down, Mr. Bob Steak and Lata. Hey boy. Wabona lo in a parking lot.
Yeah.
That time nale Sean Bartlett. Mercedes name for the koloi. I guess they did sponsored or I don't know.
Yeah. Bartlett.
Or one koloi na ling camera mo screening e bontshang ko mrawe.
Yeah.
Ke bone ka ena Sean. Still Lucy, okay. Boy. Asiqalelane. Garage card. Check card. Whatever you're banking with was a change. I was at Standard Bank.
Yeah.
I think because just Standard Bank was the sponsor.
Chiefs, yes.
So things are easier.
Yes.
Like salary wise, everything.
Yeah.
So check card, garage card, credit card. So. Nandi. So asikhulume uthi what's your favorite car? That time the Golf 5 GTI they okay. 2006, 7.
Yeah, you came in 2007.
2007, yes. Bona dikena ke Golf 5 GTI. Then ke bona se ke bona vele ayo ke le ka bona live.
Yeah.
Di bua fela so. Oh, Golf 5 GTI so. Okay boy. All right. Sasa. VW then town. So hlangana la. Everything angisakhumbuli. I just signed there. Go Mr. Melusi, sign some papers. Yes, this signing there. Aksi contract angihle. I sign. This is the card nani what your motor in. Hey man. Okay, sign. Tomorrow. What color? Black. Okay. All extras. Sunroof. Anti what steering.
Yeah.
18-inch.
Those
are extras.
Yeah.
Oh, faga. Faga. Yeah. Tomorrow. Ne? After training, uze nomuntu ke because uyishimo yakho le. Ufuna ngithi asihambise nale. Ingahlala sekuzoba nemoto ezithu manje ngomnike problem.
Polo abayiji.
Abayinke. Ubhatala ko lezi 2.
Yeah.
Hayi, one.
Yeah.
I know okay. Le ke polo market will take a few days. Ngizokutshela uyise kuphi yona what but tomorrow come with someone.
Yeah.
I sign today. Tomorrow. VW lapha ribbon. Stay on the GTI. Oh. Yeah, no, no. Life is changed. Life is changed. That time I'm 19, 20 there.
Yeah.
Like your life is changed, you know. So you can understand the capacity of like playing for a big team. So imagine when you're that young.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs were one of like it takes you, that team. And they run things so professional. Because there are people around who make sure they do everything for the player.
Yeah.
Your job is just
play football. Yeah.
That's all. Financial, what they get someone who run your things there. What do you want? Yes. House? Oh, yes. Okay, we'll do this. What car do you want? Yes, go there. You sign here. What you want? Garage card. So, akusansa cash kya vele.
Yeah.
Kaya bona end of the month abantsha kwa batla. Hey man, no, it was teaching me life.
Yeah. Yeah.